All right, so this is a review of the 24 Days of Fishmas. So you'll see here, mine's all open. And now I want to do a quick review, so I'm going to share just two things that are probably cons and then some positive things about this. And each day here, how's it work? Each day, it's an advent calendar. It's like the old chocolate ones I had as a kid. You open it up, there it is, and you get to have it. As you'll see, we'll put some of the lures here. You'll see they're pretty basic lures. They're not huge. There's different sizes. There are some that are, generally speaking, you're gonna see like. They're small, right? So they're gonna be some panfish, maybe some trout, some bass you could probably catch as well. I've caught bass and similar stuff. I like these ones, just the colors and the shapes kind of stand out. These are good with the tails on them, but there's different kinds there. So let me get to what do I see as the pros and the cons, and we'll put some links down below too. You can kind of see each day opening if you're really into all that. I have no idea how much this cost. It was a friend saw it and gave it to me. I can only imagine what it would cost for like actual like really good lures. Some bigger stuff. So spinners are always going to be cheaper and such a things. But here's the con is just as you saw. It's small, right? I would have liked, hey, it'd be nice to have some bigger hooks on the stuff, some more variety. The sticker, it's just stickers on the thing. Now, is that gonna like stop me fishing? No. Is that a con? Yeah, it kind of is, because it'd be nice to have some more variety, but that's just gonna increase the cost for who's ever buying this for somebody. And the other thing I thought maybe was there's no lures, right? There's no soft lures, and I thought that might be kind of something they could put in there to upgrade around that. I don't know what else is out there. I've never done one of these before, but this is just a couple of some of my ideas around it, and maybe a little more variety. Because as you'll see, like even on here, we'll hold this up. This is just they're just stickers. That's on the oh my goodness, I forget what this little thing's called here, but as it goes around, it bangs against that and creates vibration as well, spinning in the water. And so those are helpful to fish. I've used similar stuff. I'm gonna fish them this winter and fall. Actually, one of the things beyond panfish I thought of was for here's another one. It's kind of small, but for panfish. For walleye, and some of the walleye that we have here up on Lake Nipissing, the lake's closed at least until January 1st. In December it closes, but those are some of the things. I enjoyed each day opening up, and each day I enjoyed opening this up, and missed a day, so I had to do 2 days. I think actually one day I missed. One day I opened up and there was nothing in it, and just like the old school days of chocolate, and it like. The chocolate sometimes came out of the molds. I think it's all that happened. It just moved around through involvement. This one here is probably the colors I like the most. I don't care for the heart on the bottom, but that would be what I like. But you can pull that out. I would be curious what the heart will do in the water, how that will work, because it's just a thin piece of plastic. It's nothing fancy. So. We'll have to test them out this winter. Stay tuned. We'll put a video together for all of that. Overall, for like a pro, and I think it's a great gift. I think it's fun to have. You can lose lures, especially like if you're around some hard areas. Like, who cares, right? If you lose it, it's a gift. These aren't crazy expensive. And the guy told me who gave, he's like, hey, don't expect anything too big out of this, but it's a great idea. And I think it's a good fun thing to do. So if you know fishermen and enjoys fishing, and give them the Christmas gift early next when Christmas comes around, and offer this. But that 24 Days of Fishmas.